Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Leadenhall Market. And if this looks familiar, that's because this was featured in the film Harry Potter. It has loads of history, beautiful architecture, and a lot of wonderful spots to eat and explore. Apart from the cool fact about the Harry Potter film, this has been here since the 14th century. So let's see what they have. My Duolingo French hasn't made much progress, so this is the name of the bakery, and I've got some pastries from them, so let's see how they are. The chocolate brioche bun. We also got their cream milk roll. I like the cream roll much better than the brioche bun because this has a bit more sweeter cream, and the brioche bun was a bit dry, so I like this more to my taste. Leadenhall Market is home to classic cheese and wine shops blending tradition and taste in the heart of the city. I'm standing at the site of the Leaky Cauldron, and this is the exact spot where they filmed the scene.
All students must be equipped with one standard size 2 pewter cauldron, and may bring, if they desire, either an owl, a cat or a toad. Can we find all this in London?
If you know where to go.
That's a wrap from Leadenhall Market. Its roots go all the way back to 70 AD when it was part of Roman London, and today it is a stunning mix of history, shops and charm right in the heart of the city. That's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another interesting video. Cheers guys.